Welcome to Shoot Moment YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I will teach you how to add fonts to your CapCut. First, I add text to this footage. Go to the Text tab and click on Default Text. I want to update the font to CapCut, which is very popular among video creators. To check if this font is available, I go to the Text tab, click on System Font, and search for it in the search bar. You can see that CapCut font is not available in the search results. You can also check if your preferred font is available in CapCut by searching here. To add a new font to CapCut PC, you can search for the font on Google and download it from any source. Alternatively, you can go directly to the popular website www.dayfont.com and search for the font there. I will search for the font I need on this website. Now click on the Download button. Go to the location where you downloaded the files and extract the contents of the compressed folder. Now double-click on the font file. Then click Install, and the font will be installed on your computer. Before using the installed font, close CapCut completely and then reopen it. Now I will search for the CapCut font in the font menu. You can see that this time the font is available to use. Click on the font and it will be applied to the text. Alright, this is the end of today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If you learned something here, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to check out the complete CapCut playlist on my channel.